Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix transfer failed for my protection or this payment was cancelled for your protection. So guys, when you want to transfer any amount to your friend or any other on Cash App and facing the issue that your transfer has been declined, cancelled or failed due to protection, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to scroll it down, click on general, and from here you have to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and guys now you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem, and guys after this you need to go back. So guys now you have to open your app store on your iPhone or iPad, and guys here you need to search Cash App. So guys, as you can see here, you have to search here Cash App, and guys after searching here you have to open your Cash App and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys after doing this you have to go back, and now you have to open your settings, scroll it down, and from here you will see the option of general, click on it, and after this you need to click on iPhone storage, and after this you need to find your Cash App here. As you can see, you have to click on Cash App, and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem and still facing this issue again and again, no need to worry, you have to open your Cash App here. And guys after opening your Cash App you have to click on your main profile icon, and after this you will see here the option of support. So guys after this you have to click on support, and you need to wait for some seconds. Here you will find this type of interface, you need to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of chat, click on it. And guys you need to chat with a Cash App support team. You have to tell all the problem that you're facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.